What's up, internet? Welcome to Mo's Garage. In today's video, we're working on this 2004 Ford Ranger, and I'm going to be replacing this tailgate handle, which is made out of plastic and is currently broken. Now, I'm not just going to replace this handle, I'm going to upgrade it to one made out of metal so that hopefully it doesn't break again. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do to replace this handle is to open the tailgate, and you can do so by just lifting this guy up, and you can see right here this is the side that's broken. So I'm just going to stick my screwdriver in here and get this little leg to pop out so that it opens the tailgate. Just like that. Alright guys, so once we have the tailgate down, you're going to see this cover up top that's held on by 8 T30 Torx screws. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and then we can take off this cover. Alright guys, so once you have the cover off, you're going to come in here and you're going to see this mechanism. There are these plastic retaining clips which hold these rods that open the tailgate. You want to go ahead and pop these guys open. Then we're going to pop the rods out. Just like that. Then we have two 10mm nuts that we're going to remove. Be careful not to lose these because we're going to reuse them. All right, once you have those guys out, we're going to take this little mechanism out. Then we're going to remove the door handle. Then we're going to check our new door handle and slide this guy in. Alright, once you have the door handle in, you can go ahead and stick this mechanism and put it back into place. Then we're going to take our nuts and secure this guy back in here. Alright, once you have this assembly back together, we're just going to go ahead and put the rods back into place. And as you can see right here, there's a little bit of discoloration from surface rust. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it back into place where it was before. Alright, so now I'm going to close the tailgate to make sure that the door handle is working properly. Alright, so now that I've confirmed that everything is working as it should, I'm going to go ahead and put that cover back on and call it a day. Alright guys, so there you have it. We have our first Ranger repair in the books. Overall, this is not a terrible job. It should take you about 10 minutes or less to complete. I do plan to bring some more Ranger content to the channel, so stay tuned for that. But with all that out of the way, thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.